Bring all of your attention to your breath. Place your right hand on your belly and notice how the belly rises with the inhale and falls with the exhale. Inhale, the belly rises, and exhale, the belly falls. Begin to witness your breath rising and falling. Notice how the oxygen moves in and out of the belly without effort. Breathing in, taking in fresh, healing oxygen. Breathing out, releasing carbon dioxide. Let's inhale for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's follow this rhythm together, inhaling and exhaling. Bringing your attention to this moment, right here and right now. Let's breathe in again for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just observing and witnessing your breath as you inhale and exhale. Staying with your breath in the present moment. Forgetting about the past or the future, and just being right here and right now. Continuing to follow your breath, place your right hand back on your leg and come to a very tall and comfortable seated position. We're going to use our imagination now to practice a visualization. I'd like for you to imagine that you are in a beautiful rainforest. See the sunlight coming through the trees and feel the light on your face. Notice the lush green trees and the beautiful sky. Imagine that you are walking, placing your foot one step at a time as you walk slowly and gently through the rainforest. Imagine that you come across a waterfall. Envision that you are sitting and watching this beautiful waterfall. You notice how the sunlight touches the water and reflects. Imagine the sound of the birds and the water in harmony. And now imagine a beautiful rainbow of light washing over the waterfall. Imagine your breath moving slowly and gently, inviting your body to fully and completely relax. And placing your right hand back on your belly. Inhale, feel the belly rise. And exhale, feel the belly fall. Inhaling for a count of 5. And exhaling for a count of 5. At the sound of the bell, softly and gently open your eyes.